Tired of overpaying for a logo or struggling with complicated design tools? Create a stunning logo for free in under 5 minutes. I'll show you exactly how to use Namecheap's free logo maker, step by step. No design skills needed. So here's the thing. You've got a brand to build, and the last thing you want is to drop hundreds of dollars on a designer for something you could do yourself. And you definitely don't want to spend weeks learning Photoshop. I've walked through this tool myself, and it's surprisingly powerful for being completely free. So let me walk you through it. First, head over to Namecheap's website. Just type it into your browser and hit enter. You'll land on their main page. Look for the menu bar at the top. Now, you'll see an option that says Apps. Click on that. This is where Namecheap keeps all their extra tools and services. It's easy to miss if you're just looking for domain names, but this is where the good stuff lives. From that drop-down menu, you want to find and click on Logo Maker. It should be right there in the list. Logo Maker is one of Namecheap's own built-in tools, so it's designed to work smoothly with your account. Once you're on the Logo Maker page, you'll see a few different options. Look for the one that says Free Logo Maker and click that. This is the key. Some of the other options might try to upsell you, but the free version gives you everything you need to get started. Now, this next step might look a little confusing, but stick with me. You'll see a highlighted area or a button that says something about getting started. Click on that highlight. Namecheap is really good about guiding you to the right place visually. From there, you'll see a big button that says Create Free Logo. Go ahead and click that. This will take you into the actual logo builder. This might take a moment to load, so just give it a few seconds. Now, here's where you might run into something unexpected. A pop-up will appear asking about the business card maker. It'll say something like, Business Card Maker would like to. This is a common feature in Namecheap's Logo Maker. Don't worry about it. You don't need to create business cards right now. We're just focusing on the logo. What you want to do next is click where it says Get Offline Access. This sounds like it might be unnecessary, but trust me on this one. Giving offline access allows the Logo Maker to save your work and generate your files properly. It's a standard permission request. Then you'll see another prompt asking for confirmation. Just click Cancel. I know that sounds backwards, but it's correct. What you're actually doing is canceling out of the business card setup so you can proceed directly into the Logo Maker. Namecheap's flow works a little differently than you might expect, but this gets you exactly where you need to go. And that's it. You're now inside the Logo Maker. From here, you can type in your company name, pick your industry, choose icons and fonts, and start customizing. You'll have a professional-looking logo ready to download in just a few minutes. No design degree required, no credit card needed, just a clean, custom logo for your brand.